What's going on, everybody? Caleb here, back with another video, and today I'm unboxing the brand new second generation AirPods. So without further ado, let's get into it right now. First things first, guys, welcome to the channel, and if you would do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button for future videos just like these coming up in the future. So I just received this in the mail today, so let's get it open. So here they are. You can see pretty much the same packaging as the last generation. On the back of the package, you can see another picture with the case on it. I opted for the wireless charging case with the AirPods, but they also do sell it for just the regular case for $159.99. This was $199.99. They also sell the wireless charging case all by itself if you wanted to buy that. Let's get these things open. Maybe. So in the box, just like every other Apple product, you get designed by Apple in California and the description and directions of the product. Next, of course, is the AirPods in their case already. And on the bottom of the box is a Lightning USB charger, because they do have a port on the bottom of the case that you can charge it manually if you can't charge it wirelessly. On the back, you can see the little circle and the little hinge that opens this part right here. Inside is, of course, the AirPods, and you can see the little LED indicator light flashing. It's looking for a phone. So that's what we're going to do right now. But in order to use the second generation AirPods, be sure that you are updated to iOS 12.2. If you are not updated to the new software, it'll give you this notification. It'll tell you to check for an update, and you basically just have to install the update and you'll be good to go. So now that the phone is updated, just bring in the AirPods. You'll see once again, the white indicator LED flash. That's just trying to find the phone to connect. This took a little bit longer than what I've seen before, but it did eventually pop up. This is probably one of the coolest parts about AirPods is just how seamless it is, how to set these things up. You can see the very cool animation. Try and focus here. There we go. You can see the cool animation and everything. It's really, really integrated well. So just tap connect, and then you'll see the actual AirPods and the case, the battery for both of those. And that'll actually pop up every time you open the AirPods case. As far as sound quality goes, personally, I think they sound exactly the same. Like the first generation, there were people on Twitter and other social media saying that it was a world of difference, and I just don't hear it. But I guess Maybe some people did, or they were just saying it to say it. Now, of course, one of the coolest features as well with these AirPods is that you can wirelessly charge them in their case. So basically, just set it up and put it on the wireless charger. Any cheap wireless charger will do, and it'll start to charge. I don't know if you can see the indicator, but it is red right now, and that will indicate that it is charging. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button for future videos just like these. And I'll see you guys on the next one.